Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about how to use a due diligence data room. So guys, let's start. The quickest way to start using a due diligence data room is by importing a pre-made requests template. By importing a pre-made template, the data room and folder structure is automatically populated and organized. From there, users can start fulfilling requests using drag and drop upload. They can also assign task roles, communicate with other users, and invite new users to the room. Here's how to get started. Number one, start a free trial of farm room date room. Number two, get the due diligence data room checklist. Number three, start a trial and select this checklist template right inside the software. Number four, check that automatic folder structure is correct. Number five, invite new users into the room. Number six, start fulfilling requests by uploading documents. Number seven, assign users various tasks as well as set due dates and priorities. So guys, that's it. Hope you will understand. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.